This is the UtechSmart 17-in-1 USB-C docking station for PCs and Macs. It is made of brushed aluminum with plastic on the top and bottom of the dock. The 17-in-1 refers to the 3 USB 3.0 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 3 HDMI ports, single VGA port, 1 micro SD slot, 1 SD slot, the single 10-1000 gigabit port, the 4 USB-C ports, and a single 3.5mm audio jack. It includes 2 USB-C gold-plated cables that look and feel of quality craftsmanship. As you can see from my workbench setup, I utilize many electronic devices for work or tinkering, and all of them need charging. Previously, I utilized a smaller UtechSmart docking station, however, it had a slightly lower power delivery capability. With this new UtechSmart docking station, I am able to charge all of my devices at once while keeping the wiring much better organized. Please check out the full written review on Amazon.